Hello, how are you? My name is Gustavo Cheirola. I am a professor of Spanish at the Department of Modern Languages and Literatures at Whittier College. I will tell you about the Spanish major and minor in our department. Maybe you will be interested in doing the major or double major. That is, as you will see, very easy to get. So, Spanish majors requires so far 30 units, 30 credits that you can divide in 6 units with classes taken at 100 and 200 level, and the 24 in the 300 or 400 level. Most of our 300 level classes and 400 level classes serve the LIBED program requirement. So if you start doing the Spanish major and your LIBED requirements with our classes, usually students end the requiring the LIBED requirements in the second year when they are sophomores. And so it means that if you complete the LIBED requirements with our Spanish classes, so you will be at the second year, almost at the end of the sophomore years, almost completely your Spanish major and have almost 2 years or more to complete other major. So most of our bilingual students, mostly Latinos who already speak Spanish, are taking advantage of this, because when they go to the job market, it will be very useful that you can demonstrate not only that you speak Spanish, but you can also write and speak in the very standard Spanish. So this is something that in the last years, many employers are requiring, not only that you speak, so or write, but that you are doing in the standard way. Okay, so the Spanish major required 4 classes at the 300 level that are mandatory. Is advanced grammar and composition, the sequence of 356, 355, 356, Introduction to Peninsular and Latin American Literature, part 1 and part 2 is a survey, and then Spanish 325, Conversations in Hispanic Topics. So the rest you can choose the classes at 300 or 400 levels that are offered every year. Also, in the case you go to study abroad, you can take classes in Spanish in our topics: literature, cinema, gender studies, many other topics. We are teaching classes on theater, cinema, narco-poetics, etc. So we have a very diverse number of classes, but you can take some classes if you go to study abroad in a Spanish-speaking country. So in case also that you go to study abroad to a Spanish-speaking country, that you take classes for the other major, but classes taken in Spanish, we can accept at least 2 of these classes for your Spanish major. So you have a lot of possibilities to complete 2 majors when you are at Whittier. So the minor requires 16 units, but remember that you have taken AP and you can transfer those classes. The college will give you 8 credits if you have taken 4 or 5 points in the AP, in language. If you have also taken 4 or 5 in the AP literature, you will get 16 units. So it means that with this transference, you can get the minor very easily. But in this case that you have already the 1600, the college, our department will require that you take at least 2 classes with us to complete your minor. So the minor will be almost 20-something classes. There is no sense to get the minor. It's very important you get the major. So in case you transfer those classes, these classes will be considered at the level 100 or 200 level. So we will accept at least 8 of these credits for your major. So if you have any other question, you can get in touch with me, with the Professor Doreen O'Connor, or with Dr. Lizardo Herrera, that we are the 3 professors who teach Spanish in our department. And in our department, we also offer Chinese and French. So if you want to get another language, you can get involved in touch with the other professors in our department. So I hope to see you soon, and we expect you to get a couple of majors at our campus. Bye-bye.